Another day, another English lesson. Still and no longer. Adverbs of time. Sometimes in English, we want to say that something is continuing. It hasn't changed. Other times, we want to say that something has stopped. It was true before, but not now. That's where still and no longer come in. Let's look at how they work. Still. Something continues. Still means something started in the past and is continuing now. It shows that the action or situation has not stopped. Word order. Still comes before the main verb. She still goes to that school. With the verb be, still comes after be. He is still tired. More examples. They still live in the same house. I still have the book you lent me. She is still interested in photography. No longer. Something has stopped. No longer means something was true before, but has stopped. It shows that the action or situation is not true now. Word order. No longer comes before the main verb. He no longer works here. With the verb be, it comes after be. She is no longer tired. More examples. I no longer live in that neighborhood. They no longer need our help. This shop is no longer open. Now watch and complete the sentences with still or no longer. One. I still have the postcards you sent me from Paris. They're hanging right there. Two. He no longer eats meat, so we made him a vegetarian dish. Three. That old train still runs every morning at 6 a.m., so don't buy a car. Four. They still live in the yellow house near the river. It's too beautiful to ever move. Five. We no longer speak to our old neighbors since they moved away. We don't even have their phone number. Six. The baby is still sleeping, so please be quiet. Seven. The factory is no longer open. It closed last year. Eight. She still feels nervous when she gives presentations, even though she has given thousands. Nine. Trains no longer stop at this station. It's been closed for months. Ten. He still wears his wedding ring, even though his wife died years ago. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.